Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. So today, I'm gonna show you guys that new bypass I was talking about. Okay, so basically, it's pretty simple, right? So this is the new Shopify bypass. This is the one that I've been using. It's complicated but not complicated. Okay, so basically, let me move this down here. Okay, so basically, what you want to do, right, is when something drops on Shopify, you don't need a checkout bypass here, right? You don't need a bookmark, or at least I don't use a bookmark, right? So the way I do it is I go to the item as fast as possible and add a size that I think I can get through queue the fastest with, because the way queue works is that they do it per size. Like, I'm pretty sure they do it per size. Like, they do it per item per size, like that kind of way. Because if you add fucking socks to cart, you'll get through queue faster than something else. I've tested it myself, right? But, so, this is what I do. I'll add whatever item is dropping to my cart, right? Then, once we get to this screen, the out of stock screen, or if I get through queue, like, I'm fine, I'll start checking out, right? But if I start checking out and then it goes to stock problems, this is what I did on the wave runners, right? So this isn't technically a bypass to like cop right away. This is a safe bypass. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but this is like, worst comes to worst, your size sells out that you're going for right away, but there's another size that you don't mind copping, right? Okay. So once you get here, there's going to be a checkout link, and it's going to have your checkout thing and then stock problems, and then there will be a question mark and other stuff after it. It's like this right now because this shit dropped a while ago. Like, obviously, it's not going to be a full checkout link with cookies, but it's going to have cookies and your IP and like all of that in your checkout browser. So there'll be more shit after the stock problems, right? But what you guys want to do is, once the item is sold out, you can go to the, pretend this is the Kith Coke collab, right? You want to go to the same item, you add it to cart, and then you just remove the stock problems and you press enter. And it'll remove this item. It's not going to work now because it's literally stock problems, right? But you would remove that item, and then it would, what's it called? Like, I didn't remove it. My dumbass. So, remove the item, remove stock problems, remove the sold out item, and there you go. I was wondering why the fuck it didn't do it. I was thinking just because it was an old release. But there you guys go. Now you have a bypass. And you can autofill all your information, whatever. Continue to shipping, billing, and you won't get queued. It's like you manually are checking out. Like, you won't get another queue. Because people that are doing bypasses now, they set up their bypass to this screen, the next screen, the shipping screen, and the payment screen because they get queued every time. But when I started to do that, once I would press complete payment, I'd get another queue. And then I wouldn't get past it. Like, I was sitting on the Kith Coke collab because I had a normal bypass. I was sitting on that bypass, the sold out screen, for probably 4 hours. And they sold out fast. So yeah, that's really it for this one, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, leave a like. Check out the sponsors, Discord in the description, all that. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you guys want more tips on copping, let me know. I know this was kind of confusing, but basically you just delete the sold out. Don't delete the question mark, none of that. Just delete stock underscore problems. There you go, not sold out. Stock underscore problems in your browser. Add the other item to cart and remove the sold out item, and you'll be there. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little tutorial. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, all that. Turn on post notifications. This has been your boy Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out. Peace.